With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that identify the incorrect match related to structure of given interhalogen compounds. Option 1 IF5 pentagonal bipyramidal, option 2 CLF5 trigonal bipyramid, option 3 BRF3 bent T shape, and option 4 CLF linear. So in this question, interhalogen compounds are given and their structures are given. We have to find out the incorrect match, right? So first of all, we'll start with IF7, right? So what we will do, we will find out the hybridization of central atom, that is iodine, in this interhalogen compound, right? So for that we have the formula by which we can calculate hybridization. H is equal to half into V plus M minus C, where V is the number of valence electrons of the central atom, M is the number of monovalent atoms attached to the central atom. So here we have fluorine which is attached to iodine, and C is the overall charge on the molecule. So let us calculate. H will be half into, in iodine valence electron is 7 because it is halogen, plus we have 7 monovalent atoms, that is 7 fluorine which are attached to the central atom. So M is 7 minus 0 because charge is 0. So it will be half into 7 plus 7, 14. So 14 by 2 will be 7. Now 7 means that 7 orbitals will get hybridized, right? So 7 orbitals will be sp3 d3. So this will be the hybridization, right? So according to this hybridization, the geometry should be pentagonal bipyramidal. So we have iodine, right? So it is forming 7 bonds. F, F, and here we have F, 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 and F. So this is the structure which is pentagonal bipyramidal, right? This is pentagonal bipyramidal. So it means the first match is correct match, right? Then in second it is given CLF5 trigonal bipyramid. So first of all we'll calculate the hybridization for CLF5. So hybridization H will be half into, now valence electrons of chlorine will be 7. Monovalent atoms attached to chlorine is 5 because we have 5 fluorine, and charge is 0, so minus 0. So it will be half into 7 plus 5 will be equal to 12. So 12 by 2 will be 6. 6 means 6 orbitals will get hybridized. So hybridization will be sp3d2. Right. So according to sp3d2, the geometry should be octahedral. Geometry should be octahedral. So we have chlorine. So there are 5 fluorine atoms. So geometry should be octahedral. It means there should be one lone pair. Right, so this is octahedral geometry. Now, when we have to find out the shape, we does not consider the lone pair, right? So, its geometry is octahedral, but its structure will be square pyramidal. Its structure is square pyramidal, right? Because while finding out the structure, we have to neglect the lone pair. In option 2, it is given trigonal bipyramid. So this is absolutely wrong. This is not trigonal bipyramid. So it is incorrect match. So this will be the answer because it is incorrect match. Then we are given BRF3 bent T shape. So let us see BRF3. BRF3. Now here hybridization will be half into, valence electrons of bromine is 7. We have 3 monovalent atoms, that is fluorine, and charge is 0. So it will be half into 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 by 2 equal to 5. 5 means the hybridization will be sp3 D. Now according to sp3d, the geometry should be trigonal bipyramidal. So here we have bromine, right? So according to geometry, we have only 3 fluorine atoms. It means 2 will be lone pair. So its structure will be like this. F, F, and here we get F, and here there will be 2 lone pairs. Right, so this is geometry trigonal bipyramidal. Due to the presence of lone pair, there will be repulsion. So these two bonds, that is axial bromine fluorine bond, they will bend. Right, so it is bent T shape. It is bent T shape. Right, so BRF3 has bent T shape. So this is also a correct match. Then in option 4, it is given CLF. So let us see CLF. Now hybridization will be half into valence electron will be 7 and one monovalent atom, that is fluorine, is attached to chlorine. So 1, then charge is 0. So here we get half into 7 plus 1 will be 8. So 8 by 2 will be equal to 4. Right, so here hybridization is sp3. Hybridization should be sp3. So you can take any of the central atom, chlorine or fluorine. If we take chlorine, so it means that we have one fluorine and there will be 3 lone pairs. There will be 3 lone pairs. You can show it like this, right? Or you can show it like this. Fluorine, we have fluorine and we have one chlorine and there is 3 lone pairs on fluorine. So on chlorine as well as on fluorine, there will be 3 lone pairs. Hybridization of both will be sp3. Right. So here structure will be linear. Structure will be linear. It is very simple. Right. We have only chlorine and fluorine. We don't have to consider the lone pair while determining the structure. So it has linear structure. So this is also correct. So incorrect match is given in option 2. So here option 2 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.